Are you ready to get out and play, San Diego? What hobbies do you have? Are they sitting in the back of the room or in your garage waiting for you to grab and go? If you're saying no, then that means it's time for me and the Uncluttered Home team to come in and help you out and get ready for the summertime fun. Get your life in order, be able to find anything in 60 seconds or less, live a spontaneous life, enjoy the great outdoors, enjoy your hobbies again. With the Uncluttered Home, we can make space. We let you realize that you have a choice. You live the best life that you can every single day. Why not? Give us a call, send a text, or an email, and let's get you started with the Uncluttered Home.